From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of being jolted awake by a harsh alarm clock every morning? Well, I've got some great news for you. The HBJWOV heart-shaped bell alarm clock no ticking from UOHLCX is here to change that. This adorable alarm clock is not only cute, with its gentle cartoon appearance, but it's also designed to help you wake up feeling refreshed and relaxed. The gentle wake-up alarm starts out soft and gets progressively louder until you turn it off, so you can say goodbye to those jarring wake-up calls. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice for people of all ages. The kids will love the anti-scratch, steady and cute cartoon appearance, which can make them very satisfied and bring them endless joys and happiness. The alarm clock is also easy to set up, with a simple and intuitive interface that makes it a breeze to use. The king-size and twin-size options make it perfect for any bedroom, and the lack of ticking noise is a game-changer for light sleepers. Simply set your alarm time and let the HBJWOV heart-shaped bell alarm clock no ticking do the rest. This alarm clock is perfect for anyone who struggles with waking up in the morning, as it provides a gentle and gradual wake-up experience that won't leave you feeling groggy or disoriented. The soft and gentle sound of the alarm is a much nicer way to wake up than the harsh beeping of a traditional alarm clock. Plus, the cute design makes it a great addition to any bedroom, and it's perfect for kids and adults alike. So why not give the HBJWOV heart-shaped bell alarm clock no ticking a try, and start waking up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.